My name's Jesse Kameen from Campers Inn in Kingston, New Hampshire. Welcome to the 2020 Puma 31 FKRK. Starting at the front of the 31 Puma FKRK, you're going to notice the fully molded fiberglass cap and a large modern window. That combines to not only give it an appearance, but also a very aerodynamic shape when you do decide to take it out on the road. As you walk around a little further, you see this large storage area. This is perfectly sized for a small refrigerator and is accompanied with an electric outlet on the outside, so you have a place to keep those beverages cool when you're sitting underneath the awning with friends and family. You'll notice the large glass sliding door on your right. That entry door is the place you'll probably be using most to come in and out, followed by a floor-to-ceiling window which opens, and then the second door directly into the master bedroom, allowing entrance either late at night or exit early in the morning without bothering everybody else in the coach. As you go around to the other side, you'll notice the outside shower, a perfect opportunity to wash the sand off your feet after a day at the beach, or clean up the dog who got into the mud again. And then you're back to the front of the very modern and upgraded Puma 31 FKRK. Right as you come in the front door, you have the Puma Convenience Center. In one place, that allows you to conveniently check the status of your battery, all the tanks, as well as control the lights, the power awning, and both slide outs. In the living room, Puma almost feels like a second home. You have a fold-out sofa, 2 reclining chairs, entertainment center, and even a fireplace. Hey, wait a second, a lot of people think, what do I need a fireplace for in a camper? Go outside and build a fire. But this fireplace puts out 5,300 BTUs. And what that means for you is on that chilly morning, making breakfast in the kitchen, turn on that fireplace, in 15-20 minutes it's nice and toasty, without using your onboard propane to fire the furnace. Furthermore, you have a dining area with a standing table and removable chairs, making it comfortable for the entire family. In the kitchen, you have a lot of counter space, plenty of cabinets, and a pantry. Full-size residential refrigerator, 4-burner stove, microwave, and oven. You know, if you spend enough time in the Puma 31 FKRK, you may find yourself even more comfortable than you are at home. As we stroll into the master bedroom, one of the first things you'll notice is the residential king-size bed. A large area to walk around and get prepared in the mornings and the evenings, as well as 4 large closets, and a larger closet with a door that allows room for a washer-dryer with hookup if the need be. We have cable connections here, a place to hook up a television, plenty of AC outlets, USB ports. Hey, it all adds up to providing the comfort for the people who matter most, you. So what you have here in the 31 FKRK by Puma is a great opportunity to add flexibility to your camping season.